and car going under. Mom and son in the flood and thunder, holding tight as the current flies. Nowhere left, just hold on tight. Chopper humming out of the blue, one brave pilot pushing through. Held it steady, took the shot, dropped a copper right on the roof on the spot. One by one pulled out alive, beating back that raging tide. Then good boy 7 left behind, 4 legs waiting in the tide. Turned back in, didn't think twice, that's how Aussie show up in a fight. 3 lives saved, safe and sound, just doing what you know is right.
Phil McCracken, fair dinkum legend!